Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into a useful word you'll hear in all kinds of conversations. Our word of the day is accidentally. Accidentally is a B2 level adverb that means doing something by chance or unintentionally. So, if something happens accidentally, it wasn't planned, it was an unexpected action or result. Let's break this down with a few synonyms to make it clearer. You could say inadvertently if you did something without meaning to, or maybe unintentionally. Here's an example. She inadvertently spilled her coffee on the report. Or, he unintentionally sent the email to the wrong person. Each of these sentences shows that the action wasn't on purpose. On the flip side, if we want to think about antonyms, words like deliberately or intentionally mean the exact opposite of accidentally. Imagine you're planning to surprise a friend and deliberately arrive early to catch them off guard. In that case, you're doing it intentionally. Now, let's look at how you might use accidentally in everyday life. Think about these situations. I accidentally took the wrong bus and ended up in a different part of town, or he accidentally left his phone at home. Both examples show that the actions weren't planned, they just happened by chance. Another common phrase you might hear is, oops, accidentally did that. This could be anything from spilling a drink to forgetting to reply to a message. Here are a few more examples. I accidentally bumped into my old friend at the grocery store, or she accidentally deleted her project files. In each of these, accidentally highlights that the person didn't intend for these things to happen. To wrap up, accidentally is a handy word for describing unplanned actions, and it's often used in casual conversations. Try practicing by thinking about things you might have done accidentally in the past. Maybe you accidentally overslept one day, or accidentally forgot to bring an umbrella. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support really helps others find the show. And here's a challenge for you. Share a sentence using accidentally in the comments below. I'd love to see how you use it.